What's up fellas, welcome back to another amazing video, and today I'm gonna be showing you that how you can flash the TWRP recovery on your Poco X2 Pro 5G or the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G Indian variant, just the Indian variant. So the steps are gonna be really easy, but you need to watch every part of the video really carefully. So my name is Priyanshu, you're watching Max Tricks. Let's get the video started. So guys, before talking about the main steps, let me tell you that the bootloader of your phone should be unlocked, because without it you cannot flash a custom recovery or a custom ROM. You will get a lot of videos regarding unlocking bootloader on YouTube, so make sure to watch it before getting into our video, and if you have unlocked the bootloader you can continue to watch our video. So that's for unlocking the bootloader, and now let's move on to the main topic. So guys, after you have unlocked the bootloader of your device, you need to hold the power button of your phone for about 5 to 6 seconds so as to reboot the phone, and once the screen goes black, you need to hold the power and the volume down button together so as to bring the phone into the fast boot mode like this. So it's really simple. Now once your phone has booted into the fast boot mode, we need to connect the phone with the PC because the rest of the work is gonna be on the PC. So guys, moving on to the PC, you need to download these two files, the TWRP boot image and the folder. I will be giving the link of these two files in the description. So firstly what you need to do, open this folder first. Now you need to install the ADB setup, so let me just open it. So after you have opened the ADB setup, press Y every time and press next and click on finish. So the ADB setup has been successfully installed. Now click on platform tools and click on the path and write the command cmd, which will open the Windows command prompt for the specific folder. Now you need to write this command called the fastboot devices, keeping the phone connected with your PC. Now as you can see that it's showing that our phone is connected with the PC in fastboot mode, and it's also showing the serial number of our phone. Now what you need to do, you need to write another command known as fastboot. Let me just write it, fastboot space flash, then again you need to give a space boot, then giving an underscore a, then keeping a space. You need to drag the TWRP file. So yeah, it's the file which you need to drag here. So click on it and press enter. So as you can see, it's sending the boot image and now it's writing it, so it's finished. Now you need to write another command, fastboot flash boot B. So it's really easy, underscore B. It's really easy to do it. Now keeping a space, again you need to drag the same file. It's very easy, so drag it again. Now click here and press enter. So it's sending the boot image again. As the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G or the Poco X2 Pro 5G has two partitions, due to this we need to flash the boot image 2 times. Now you need to write another command, fastboot reboot recovery. Press enter. Now as you can see, the phone has finally booted into the TWRP recovery. So it's all the procedure regarding the PC installation. Now let's move on to our phone. So guys, our phone has finally booted into the TWRP recovery. Oh, and now firstly let me give the password so as to disable the encryption. So yeah, I've given it. Now it takes about 2 to 3 seconds to disable encryption. So as you can see, we have finally reached into the TWRP screen. You can see that there are all the options available for everything. So firstly let me click on the install option. As you can see, I can see all the files in my internal storage and also my micro SD card. Let me show you first. As you can see, we can see every file. Now if I click on the micro SD card option, let me just click on it. If I click on the micro SD card option, you can also see that we can access all the files from micro SD card, but I have kept my flashing file on the internal storage, so yeah. And if I click on wipe option, you can see all the features, the advanced wipe, format data, everything. Now let's go back. Going back, you can see that you also find the option for backup, restore and everything. So right now I'm gonna install the Wave UI, which is a MIUI based custom ROM. And let me tell you that this recovery can only flash MIUI based custom ROM, not the AOSP based custom ROM. For flashing AOSP based custom ROM, you need to flash the AOSP recovery. So let's start the flashing procedure. I need to swipe so as to start the installation process. So yeah, as you can see, the installation process has started. It will take about 2 minutes for this installation. So let's come back after 2 minutes.
A few minutes later.
So guys, finally the Wave UI has successfully flashed in our Poco Expo Pro 5G. Now what we need to do, firstly I need to clear the cache, so let me just clear it. Okay, then we need to go back, and now what we need to do, we need to go on the wipe section and click on the format data option. So let me just click on it and write yes so as to format the data. So this is the procedure for custom ROM installation in the TWRP recovery, and I'm gonna say again that you can only flash the MIUI based custom ROMs or the MIUI custom ROMs in this TWRP recovery. You will need AOSP recovery to flash AOSP custom ROMs. So I have finally rebooted my device now, so let's wait for the boot animation of the Wave UI. I know that the ROM will reboot because I have followed every procedure and steps very carefully. So let's just wait for it. So guys, finally our phone has successfully booted into the Wave UI logo, which makes it clear that the Wave UI has been successfully installed.
What the fuck, amigo? Vos estás re loco.
In our Poco Expo Pro 5G via the TWRP recovery. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. So goodbye and take care.